When people say they can't boil water, it's usually a humorous or self-deprecating way of saying they are not very skilled at cooking. So the phrase suggests that the person feels they lack even the most basic cooking skills. It's often said jokingly to emphasize how inexperienced or uncomfortable someone might feel in the kitchen. Have you ever felt this way? Well, if someone feels like they can't boil water or lacks confidence in the kitchen, here is a basic cooking skill to get you started. How to boil eggs. Boiling eggs is a simple process, but there are a few steps to ensure they turn out perfectly every time. Choose your eggs. Place eggs in a pot. Add enough cold water to cover the eggs by about an inch. Put the pot on the stove over medium-high heat and bring the water to a rolling boil. Once the water reaches a boil, turn off the heat and cover the pot with a lid. While the eggs are cooking, prepare a bowl with ice and cold water. When the time is up, use a slotted spoon to transfer the eggs to the ice bath. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and makes the eggs easier to peel. Gently tap the eggs on a hard surface. Roll them to crack the shell. If you can't get the shell off, then peel under running water to remove the shell easily. Your eggs are now ready to eat or use in recipes.